If you are using Node.js with Homebrew, then definitely you need to understand or remember 5 to 6 commands, which is very much necessary. So let's see what are the commands and how to use this thing. So at first I'm going to show you the first command. The first command to use Node.js with Homebrew is how to install. So you can write the command brew install node, this command, on your terminal, and then you can start the installation of Node.js very easily. You don't need to download any other software or something like that. So let's see how we can do this thing. So at first we need to open the terminal. We can open the terminal from Spotlight search and then start typing terminal, and then if we double click over there, the terminal window will be open. Now here we need to type this command. So I'm going to copy the command for easy showing. So the command is brew install node, and then we have to hit the return key, and very shortly you will see that the Node.js is going to start the installation. And after the installation you will find the summary is like that. It will take some time, like 30 seconds to 1 minute to complete the installation, and it depends on the internet speed also. If your internet speed is slow, then you have to wait a little bit more time. Once the installation is finished, then you will get this type of message, that means installed successfully. The second command you need to know is upgrade Node.js. So time to time Node.js is updated. So if you want to update in future, then you need to write this command brew upgrade Node.js. You just need to type this command on your terminal, and then you have to hit the enter key. I already opened the terminal and I'm going to type the command brew upgrade Node.js, and then after that we have to hit the return key of our keyboard, and very shortly you will see that it is giving us message whether it is upgraded successfully or not. So right now it is showing like this warning, Node.js auto already installed. That means I am already using the latest version of Node.js. The third command which I am going to show you is to reinstall Node.js. It happens if you are a developer, you will see your Node.js is not working properly sometimes. At that time you need to reinstall Node.js. So to reinstall Node.js, you just need to write this command brew reinstall Node.js. So I am going to use this command on my terminal to show you how it will be working. So I'm going to type this command, and after that I'm going to hit the return key, and here it will, you're seeing that it is going to install it from the beginning, and here it is showing everything, and it will take some time based on the internet speed, as I told you. So, and after the installation you will get this type of summary message. The other command which I am going to use to uninstall Node.js. If you don't need Node.js anymore, then you can type this command brew uninstall Node.js, and the Node.js will be uninstalled completely. I'm not going to show you this command, but if you want, you can use this command. Like sometimes, as I told you, you need to uninstall or reinstall. Some issues are going over there, so at that time you may find this thing very helpful, like brew uninstall Node.js. And the next command I'm going to show you is show Node.js version. So if you are not sure which version of Node.js you are using, or if you don't know whether you need to upgrade the Node.js, then you can use this command node-v. So this is the command you just need to type in the terminal, and then you can see the current version of Node.js. So this is the command I just typed, node space dash v. Then after that we have to hit the return key, and it will show us the installed version of Node.js very shortly. And right now I am seeing that the version 25.2.1 is installed. The last command which I am going to show you is this command, which will show you the exact version number of npm. So if you install Node.js, npm will be automatically installed. So to check the version, we just need to type this command npm -v or dash v, whatever you can see. So I'm going to type the command npm space dash v and then hit return key, and very shortly it will show us the version of npm. And that's it. These are the all useful Node.js command you must need to know when you work with Homebrew.